Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can never miss another Romanesco Seed restock ever again. So I actually have two. I haven't planted these yet because I don't know if I want to plant it on this plot or the other plot. But basically, I joined this Discord server notifier. It is a new one. I'll put the link in the description box down below. It isn't mine. But basically, you're just going to join the server and then go to channels and roles here. And then if you scroll down, you are going to select the Romanesco Seed, and they'll notify you. And they like notified me like 2 times, and thank God they did, because I like almost missed it because I didn't get notified the first time. Not their fault, but I just didn't check my notifications. But they notified me again, and then I got the Romanesco Seed twice, and like in a span of like a few hours. So that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. I hope you got the Romanesco Seed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.